Hi, welcome to Learn with Belle. In today's video, we are going to see more examples of homonyms. We have previously learned that homonyms are words that have more than one meaning. For example, date. Date can mean a day in the calendar, or it can refer to a romantic date. Letter. Letter can refer to a letter of the alphabet or to this letter, the ones we used to send before the email existed. Nail. A nail can be this small metal spike, but it can also refer to what we have at the tip of our fingers. Ring. Ring can mean several things. One can be this accessory you wear on your finger, but it can also refer to the hula hoop ring or to a boxing ring. A palm. A palm can be the palm of your hand or the palm tree. Band. A band can be related to music, like a marching band or a rock band, but it can also mean the elastic band. So all these are examples of nouns. They are all things: ring, palm, band. But we can also have homonyms with nouns and verbs. One word can mean a thing or an action. For example, watch. You can have a watch, it's a noun, it's a thing, and you can also have the word to watch in the infinitive. It's a verb, it's an action, and it means ver. So, a watch, con el artículo, a watch, un reloj. I gave him a watch for his birthday. Or to watch as a verb, I usually watch TV at night. So now we are going to see more examples of a word that can be a noun or a verb. The word fly. We can say there's a fly, meaning the insect, or to fly, as in the verb superheroes can fly. Another example is sign. That can mean an exit sign, like this one, or to sign. I sign a document. Park. It can mean the place where children play, or it can be the verb to park your car in a parking lot. Now tie. As a noun is what men wear for formal occasions, and as a verb it means to tie your shoelaces, for example. Drop. You can refer to a drop of water, or you can drop something on the floor, like this girl who has dropped her ice cream. And our last example of homonyms is the word sink. As a noun is this, where you wash your hands in the bathroom, or as the verb to sink is what happened to the Titanic. There are many more examples of homonyms. Can you add one more to our list? Well, I hope you have learned something new in this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.